sometimes we still feel hot temperatures and the smell of leftover cooking, and also forget to turn off electrical appliances in the kitchen after cooking activities. And sometimes we still feel worried about LPG gas leaks in the kitchen area. Well, the question is how to solve the problem. Hi everyone, I'm Abidur Rahman Muhammad from 25 Public Junior High School in Surabaya. This time I will present my research entitled on daily relay control circuit effectiveness in kitchen electrical installation. This on-delay relay control circuit is designed to control the installation of kitchen lights, automatic exhaust fans, and safety of LPG gas leaks in the kitchen. The first part, the circuit works to reduce room temperature and room odors during cooking activities. By pressing the S1 button, the kitchen light and exhaust fan immediately turn on simultaneously. And when finished cooking, press the S2 button, then the kitchen light will be off and the exhaust fan is still on, which serves to return the room temperature and odors in the kitchen to return to normal because of the residual effect after cooking. Until the timer setting is 5 minutes, then the exhaust fan will turn off automatically. The following table measures the thermohygrometer and odor survey before and after. The second part, the circuit serves to overcome LPG gas leaks, which I call double safety plus one. Namely, first safety. When the sensor reads that there is a LPG gas leak, the solenoid valve will be closed to close the LPG gas pipeline, so the fire on the stove will be off. Second safety is the exhaust fan will be on to continue to suck or thaw the gas that is still in the room to the outside. Plus one is that the buzzer alarm will continue to sound as a sign that there is a LPG gas leak. All these components will remain on and will be off if the gas leak is repaired and pressing of the off panel button. This control circuit on-delay relay can function properly and is not a miniature, especially when returning the temperature and odor of the kitchen room after cooking activities to return to normal, which previously this circuit was not used to solve this problem, coupled with double safety plus one to overcome the problem of LPG gas leak.